Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This feature is perfect for data entry and can help keep your sheets organized. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets like this. Now, select the cell where you want to add the drop-down list. You can also select multiple cells if you want the same list in more than one place. Next, go to the data and select data validation. This will open a settings window. In the data validation window, under criteria section, you can add options. For example, option 1, let's do price 10 to 100, likewise 100 to 200. You can also choose to add another item. You can also choose whether to choose show a warning for invalid entries or reject them entirely. Just check the box for your preferences. Here you can see show a warning, reject the input. Also here you can simply choose the text and you have various options as well. We are choosing drop down. Now click on the cell where you created the drop down list and you'll see a small arrow. Click it to view here and select your options. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage a drop down list in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.